In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle different data types in Google Sheets on desktop. Whether you're working on a simple budget sheet or managing complex data, organizing your information effectively is crucial. Understanding how to handle different data types can make managing your spreadsheet much easier and more efficient. So, let's dive in. Start by opening your Google Sheet. First, take a moment to identify the columns that contain different types of data. This includes numbers, text, dates, and checkboxes. Knowing what kind of data you're working with will help you decide how best to format each column. Once you've identified your data types, click on a cell or select a range of cells that you want to format. It's essential to select correctly to ensure all your data gets the right format. Head over to the Format menu found at the top of your screen. This menu has a variety of options to choose from. Next, select the Number option. From here, you will see several data type options like number, plain text, date, time, or checkbox. Choosing the appropriate type is crucial. For example, if you're working with numbers, you'll want to choose number or currency. If your data consists mainly of words, go with plain text. Selecting date or time for any date-specific data is vital for overarching time management tasks. And, of course, if you have a cell that needs to act like a tick box, go for the checkbox option. Sometimes you might need to convert data types. This is where formulas come in handy. You can use text, date value, or value to switch your data between types. For instance, if you have a date stored as text and need to perform date calculations, date value can convert it into a numeric date value. Similarly, if you need a particular number displayed as text, the text formula works wonders. Understanding and leveraging these formulas can significantly enhance the functionality of your spreadsheet. Furthermore, to ensure consistency across your dataset, consider using conditional formatting and data validation. Conditional formatting can highlight cells based on specific criteria, helping you spot errors or inconsistencies swiftly. Data validation can limit the types of data that can be entered into a cell, maintaining uniformity and ensuring that your data is neat and organized. And that's how you can handle different data types in Google Sheets on desktop. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your spreadsheets more effectively and make your data work for you. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore more tips and tricks in our future videos.